Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammed Idris, and today I will be guiding you about SEO and website audit. So let's get started. What is SEO? SEO is search engine optimization. Basically, we have a lot of search engines in the world like Google, Bing, Yahoo, etc. But we generally take Google as a search engine because Google handles 95% of the worldly searches. Like 95% of searches made in world are made by using Google. So, what is search engine optimization? Optimization is the practice of optimizing your website to rank higher in the search engine results, driving organic traffic. Now, the question is why we want to rank our website? So, answer is there are more than billions of websites roaming on the Google. So, if we want to stand in good numbers on Google, so we have to do SEO of our website. Now, question stands, what is website audit? So when we are going to optimize our website, so there are several steps to be taken. Like we have to check what are the pros and cons of our website, where we stand strong, where we are weak. So to check all these fundamentals, we do website audit. So what is website audit? A comprehensive analysis of a website to assess its performance, identify issues, and determine areas for improvement in terms of SEO, usability, and overall. Now, what is importance of site audit? So, we get a regular website audits ensure your website meets search engine guidelines, improve your experience and maintenance, optimal performance, etc. Now, audit is one thing, audit is a whole thing. Now there are components of SEO website audit, which includes technical SEO, off-page SEO, on-page SEO, and user experience. Now these are four basic components which we work on to rank our website good in Google search engines SERPs. So technical SEO audits. In technical SEO, we look upon site speed and performance, mobile friendliness, crawlability and indexability, XML sitemaps, and robot.txt files. Then on-page SEO audit, we look on content quality and keyword optimization, header tags, meta tags, URL structure, and internal linking. So all these things which we have discussed are parts of SEO factors like on-page, off-page, technical, etc. Now we improve these, so we rank good in Google's SERPs. So tools which we use for audit, which are Screaming Frog, SEMrush Site Audit Tool, SEMrush On-Page SEO Checker, Google Search Console, Google Page Speed Insights, Jet Octopus, Ahref Site Audit, Moz Site Crawl, etc. There are many more. I've just chosen few of them. So we'll be using today Screaming Frog to do an audit of a website. So let's just copy a website URL and get started to do its audit. So website which I'll be going with is Mans AI. It is basically a tech firm located in Islamabad. Basically, it is situated in Stock Exchange Islamabad. Here we go. Now the tool, as I mentioned before, we'll be using Screaming Frog. So I'll just open Screaming Frog. So this is the interface of the tool named as Screaming Frog. So we'll just enter the URL here and now we'll start. By start it means it will start auditing the website. Now it has begun its work and in a while it will give us the results. So we have completed just our audit process, and now this is the report we're having. Following are the issues which the tool has given us, where we have to work hard, where we are okay, where we're good. And most of the website is built good. The company has worked really good on it. So if further I click on it, it will tell us further about the issues and everything which we have to work on. So let's check it. So these are the issues, like pages without internal link outlinks, page titles below 30 characters, header 1 missing, page titles below 200 pixels, content low content pages, canonicals missing, security, missing HSTS header, missing X content type options, H2 missing, security missing, content security policy, and so on. And then it's a site structure. It'll also be taken in table form. Now we have segments, response time. Response time is really good. APIs, and now there are external URLs, security, response codes, URL. So long story short, it gives us overall structure of the website, like pros and cons, where we stand strong, where we stand weak, and which things we have to work really hard upon, and which we can easily work on and sort them out. So let's just export it and make a database file. So what we're gonna do is we'll save it in Excel. We'll save it in Excel, and then we'll copy it and paste it in Google Sheet, because I'm using free version of the tool, and to get it directly in the Google Sheet, you have to purchase the premium. So this is our file which we just exported. Like, this is the audit report. Now what we're gonna do is that we'll copy it. So for my convenience, I'll be using Google Sheet instead of Excel. So I'll just copy the content and paste it in Google Sheet, because I feel it convenient and easy to work on. So here I've just opened a new Google Sheet, and I'll just paste the content I've copied from Excel. So let it just open, and now I'll paste the content which I copied. So here's the content which I've copied from there. First thing is, most important step is to name the sheet, because it will help us in future. If we find it or do anything like this, then we can easily search it, because if we do not name the sheet, then we'll have to search multiple sheets to get one out of it, because we have not named it. So I'll be naming it as Manjai Site Audit. So as it is my final project, so I'll also mention that I'll add my institute name and the sponsors of the course, which is NAPTEC, and this is it. So this is my content, which I just made through website audit using Screaming Frog. So first thing which I'll be doing is to arrange this content into some good manner. So here in the list I have issue names, issue type, issue priority, URLs, percentage of total, description. Description means description of the issue, what issue we are facing, and the solution, like how we can fix it. So to make it little interesting, I'll just color the headers so it will get different from the content. Like it might not be confusing me, though it is not yet confusing me, but still, to make it different, I'll color it light gray. And yes, so my sheet is almost ready, and now I'll save it. So all the stuff was used. We guided you about SEO. I guided you about components of SEO, then what is site audit and why it is necessary, and what measures we take to enhance our website performance. And then I told you, guided you about the tools we use for SEO. And I hope this little effort made by me helped you learn something new. Thank you so much for your time. Stay blessed, keep smiling, laugh.